Do you want to smell like a vanilla cupcake or you want to smell yummy all day long? Don't worry, you've landed to the proper video. Hi everyone, this is Niti and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all my favorite perfumes, mists, and I'm going to be sharing my favorite combo which makes me feel which makes me smell like a vanilla cupcake, like a dessert, like a eatable item. So without further delay, let's start with today's video. So in this basket right here are all my favorite mist perfumes, and there it also has like my favorite moisturizer. So I'm going to be so that I can tell you all the combo that I use. So let's get started. Basket are all my favorite body perfumes, mist, and also it has a moisturizer, my favorite moisturizer, so that I can show it to you all and you can use it. So I believe that smelling yummy or smelling like a dessert eatable item does not necessarily start with using body mist or perfume. It actually starts with using a proper body wash. And I literally love these two. I'm gonna pop up a picture of both of the products on the screen because right now I am out of them. So and I've not bought them yet. So I'm just gonna put the picture. These are like the Fiamma ones. I literally use them and they smell so good. Like the Fiamma pink one, like right over here, it smells like literally like flowers. Like, oh, you can you just imagine you smelling like flowers? It is exactly what it smells like. And the purple one is like with black currant and all, and that also smells like literally very yummy. So yeah, these are like my two favorite body washes, and these are very affordable too. And these are like the only ones I use which make me smell yummy. And now let's start with the perfumes. Okay, so this is the first one. I have this one. This is the Hello Beautiful one. This is a fine fragrance mist. It is from Bath and Body Works. I'm out of it almost, but no, still have it a little. This is the one that I use with like the pink Fiamma body wash. It depends. I can either use the pink body wash or the purple one. It depends. If I'm using the pink body wash, then this is the fragrance that I go with. It smells so delicious. Like it literally smells like I'm smelling like a flower literally. And this is so good. So for me, I'll give this a solid 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. The problem with this one is that it wears off like literally too soon. So it'll only stay for like 1-2 hours max. So wears off like too soon. That is why it'll get like an 8 out of 10 from me. The second one is again from Bath and Body Works, the rose one. Now this one is my favorite. It smells like a rose flower. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like a rose flower literally, and it smells so good, so good. It has the fragrance notes in this one are airy rose water, jasmine petals, and creamy musk. So this is a tad bit more long lasting than the Hello Beautiful one, and I love this. It is like one of my go-to scents now, and I will rate this maybe again an 8.5. Okay, I'll do like an 8.7 out of 10. I have, like, if you are wondering if I have any 10 out of 10 products, I do have them. Stay tuned. Now let's move on to the third product. So the third one is again from Bath and Body Works, the butterfly scent. The fragrance notes in this one are raspberry nectar, iris petals, airy vanilla. It is like those two do not contain a vanilla fragrance, but this one, the butterfly one, it is sweet and it literally smells like a vanilla cupcake. This is like my favorite one. Vanilla, like literally it smells like vanilla, and this one will get like a 9 out of 10 from me. I literally love this one, and yeah, it's like this is long lasting. It lasts more than the Hello Beautiful and the Rose one too. So I love this one. This is also like another go-to scent. I love this one. Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. This is like new. You can tell from the amount of that I've used it. It smells like a cloud, honestly. It's also I'm pretty sure it has a vanilla note in it. I'll like put the notes that I can find. But it smells like vanilla, and it lasts very long. Again, this is like 8.5 and 10. Then we're moving on to perfume. So all of these products that you saw, these were like body mists, but now I'm going to be talking about perfumes, and these perfumes are my favorite. Like, I'm going to be talking about two perfumes. Honestly, like, these all the products that you're going to be seeing and the like perfumes too, these are mine. But me and my mom, we usually switch between products. She uses mine, I also use hers. Now the perfume that I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the Beautiful One. My grandmother got this for me from Germany. I You can see the packaging is so cute. I love the packaging, but can we just please talk about its packaging? Like, all the products, like the butterfly one, it has a butterfly on it, and the rose, it has. I love all the packagings. Like, I feel like cute packagings, make you buy products a lot more. I don't know if it's just me or you also, but I just see a cute packaging and I just had to buy that. So my grandmother got this for me. It's beautiful, and it smells yummy. It honestly, this smells like a donut, like literally a donut. Smells like a donut. Like, imagine you have a strawberry glazed donut in front of you, and how will it like smell? This is exactly what it smells like. Moving on to the second perfume. The second perfume that I have is the Juicy Couture one. Now, can we please have a moment for this packaging? Like, look at this bow. Oh my god, it is so cute. It's legit so cute. It's the packaging when I first opened, like my Masi, she got this from me. And I've used it only once. I've not used it more than once. She got this for me, and literally the packaging is so cute. And my Masi, if you're watching this, thank you. So yeah, the packaging, like, it is so cute. The bow, and I've been into bows, like, the Coquette era, they say. I literally love this. On my Pinterest is fully filled with like the Coquette era. Like, literally so cute. It's like more of a strong smell. It's not sweet. It's like strong as compared to the others. It's strong. But I love this, and this is like very precious to me. I don't even let my mom use it because I am also not using it. I also don't use it. I literally love this so much. The packaging, the scent, the everything is so cute. I love this. So now I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite body combo, which personally I've gotten so many compliments from. Like, you're smelling so yummy. Which perfume are you using? Like, what body lotion do you use? So I'm gonna be sharing my combo with you all. So as I said in the beginning of the video, like, a smelling good starts from a good body wash. So I use this one. So, like, I'm gonna pop up a picture. So this one, the black currant, and I don't know, one more fruit it has. That one, that is the one that I use with this combo. This smells so good. Like literally makes you feel like you're walking, like, just imagine you are walking through a field and there are like flowers, like, and you just get inhaled, like, you're just smelling into that flower's fragrance. That is exactly what it makes you feel like. And then for body lotion, I go in with the Japanese cherry blossom one. This is from Bath and Body Works. It has 24 hours of moisturizer. It has shea butter and vitamin E. It smells like yummy. Like, if you've smelled Japanese cherry blossom, that is exactly what it feels like, smells like. And it is literally so yummy. I love this. And it also keeps my body moisturized. So yeah, exactly. It smells so yummy. And if I'm going out, then I'll use this body lotion. I like on my hand, on my legs, and I'll use one of my favorite mists. I feel like this was such a good investment. This is the Aqualogicas Refresh plus, like, the Sun Kissed Vanilla one. Like, it literally smells like a vanilla cupcake. Oh my god, this is my favorite combo. Like these two, they smell so yummy together. You need to try them. They smell literally like the most edible thing, like so yummy. And this perfume, this is so long lasting, and this was only for 4.99. Plus I also got this one for in sale, so I just paid for the price of this and I got another one for free. So if you're looking out to buy Aqualogica products now, I suggest you buy them when they have sale going on, because the Aqualogica sales, they are so helpful. I love this. Like out of all this is like the 10 on 10 perfume. Like 10 on 10. I literally love this so much. It's a body mist, but it stays almost 12 to 14 hours of the day. And I think it's a perfect amount of the time it needs to stay. And plus, when I use it with this body lotion, it smells so yummy. And that is it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching today's video. And if you did, don't forget to like today's video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on all the post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.